Installing the binary star running boards on my Gladiator was super easy, but took over 2 hours just because of all the bolts. I really like them though, and have been preferring them over ones that go straight across. Getting into the truck is the same as other running boards. I put my left foot on the step, hold onto the truck's handle, swing my right leg over into the truck, and just plop in. Getting out is where I think there's an advantage though. I put my right foot on the step for support, then let my left foot dangle off until I hit the ground, and there's no running board there to get in the way and dirty my pants. I could slide right off, and my left leg just falls right between the steps. To install them, start by removing the factory running boards, which are held on by 4 bolt locations, each with a top bolt as well as nuts on the side. Note that you'll need different sockets for each, but they'll be the same 2 sockets you'll use to mount the new running boards. After you've unbolted it, just pull the running board towards you and it should slide right out. It was sorta heavy, but I had no problem doing it all on my own. Then wipe down the entire location. I mean, a full car washing is best, but it's well below freezing here, so I'm just using water on a warm paper towel. I guess this isn't necessary, but it can't be good to bolt metal over road salt and dirt, so I strongly recommend making sure it's all clean and dry before proceeding. Now unbox and line up the mounts for each side. Pay attention to their location as they're not all the same. You need to make sure the front 2 match what's shown in the instructions. Then start by bolting the brackets with the metal outside of the truck. I don't think they'll go in this way, but I wanted to make that point. Also, each bolt will use both regular washers and lock washers, with the lock washer going on the nut side of the smaller bolt. I made the large bolt hand tight, then used a ratchet and wrench to tighten the side bolts all the way, then went back with the ratchet to finish off the top bolt last to try and make sure they all lined up as best as I could. Then just repeat the procedure for all 4 and make sure each position matches what's shown in the instructions. Then just place the running board on top of the brackets and make sure the steps line up with the doors, otherwise you might have the wrong side. And now, more bolts and washers to secure the running board, and here's where you'll see if you mounted them in the wrong order. I got it right the first time, I just keep driving the point home for anyone who doesn't bother reading the instructions. Don't worry when you see the big pile of leftover parts either. They're just there in case you drop or lose any, which is very easy to do, so I'm glad there's extras. And that's really it. Just jump on them a bit to make sure they're solid, then enjoy your new running boards.